Hey everyone, I'm Lauren from Pic-Time, and today I'm so excited to show you one of the most powerful parts of Pic-Time 2.0, our new gallery design customizations that can transform galleries into fully branded editorial pieces. With new covers, font sets, color palettes, and scene headers, you now have more creative options than ever to shape how your work is presented. So let's dive in. Once you've uploaded your photos, videos, or created a slideshow in the gallery, you can now design how your gallery and shop will look from the Design tab. As you make changes, you can instantly preview the experience on both desktop and mobile. You can start by choosing a preset that sets the overall look and feel for the gallery and shop. These themes combine the gallery cover and the scene headers design, the grid layout, font sets, and these small design elements like the font weight and the button shape, everything built to work together beautifully. You can also choose a color palette to match your brand or the mood for this specific session. Each palette includes a background color, the font color, and a color for the buttons and the hover action. With Pic-Time 2.0, you can fine-tune every detail in both the gallery and the shop, from the font sets and the icon styles, to the element shapes, and the grid layout, giving you complete creative control. Next, let's go ahead and design the gallery cover, the first thing your clients will see when they open the gallery. You can feature videos, slideshows, or GIFs in the gallery cover. You can adjust things like the focal point of the image, or you can trim and then duplicate your media to highlight different parts. Pic-Time now offers more than 30 cinematic cover layouts, including animated and multi-image designs. After choosing our cover design, you can also refine every single detail, including the color, the primary and the secondary fonts. You have the font size, weight, capitalization, and letter spacing. A new feature in Pic-Time 2.0 is the scene headers. Each scene can have its own visual header, allowing you to elevate your gallery storytelling. You can use an image for your scene header, add videos, slideshows, or GIFs, or just go for a simple text header. Just like the gallery cover, you can adjust any focal points, use a different design, the colors of course, and the text styling to complete the look. And once you've designed a gallery that you love, you can save it as a template to reuse for future galleries. This saves your design settings, scene structure, and the gallery configuration, making it easy to maintain a consistent brand experience. Let's go ahead and preview the entire gallery experience to see exactly what your clients will see. With the new design capabilities in Pic-Time 2.0, every gallery becomes a fully designed experience that reflects your brand and tells the deeper story.